Frenchie, you ready for snack time? Snack time, snack time. Snack time, snack time. Snack time, snack time. Have a solo. All right. Thank you, Stanley Lincoln Cast Iron Vivash McAllister. His full government name. Snack time, snack time. Snack time, snack time. Where's the shadow box? Oh, there he is. Hey, ghost. Oh, okay, bye. Shadow box energy today. If you guys didn't know, our rabbit has split personalities essentially. His stealth, chaotic energy is shadow box, and his cuddly side is ghost. So that's a rabbit. All right, bye. Have a radical day.